This is how you perform the mid-chop, really the gold standard of rotary exercises. You're going to need a tube or resistance band, light to medium to start, and of course you can adjust the distance from your anchor point accordingly to get the right amount of resistance for you. We're going to anchor our band. You can use anything that is fixed and stable that will not move as you build tension on your band. We're going to take a step out and be perpendicular to our anchor point, and you need the anchor point a little bit in front of your body. We're going to be somewhere about the upper stomach to mid-chest height. We're going to get in either an athletic stance, hip to shoulder width, or in your addressing the ball golf stance setup. Feet rooted into the floor. We're not swinging a golf club, so we're not going to turn our back leg. We're going to keep the feet rooted. We're going to get into that slight hinge position, softening the knees. We extend the hips back slightly until we feel some tension in the hamstrings. We feel our glutes engage. We're going to grab both handles. We're going to keep the handles in front of our sternum as we go through this pattern. We're going to extend the arms out. We're going to rotate through our trunk and hip towards the anchor point. And then we're going to rotate away from our anchor point, keeping the handles in line with the sternum. The arms are locked, but not aggressively. They're going to maintain the same position as we transfer back through the left hip and as we transfer forward through the left hip or leg closest to your anchor point. I'm maintaining my posture. I'm using my hips and my spine as an axis. I'm pulling my belly button in. I am engaging my left glutes and left obliques as I follow through to the end of the pattern. I would do a 2-second isometric, and I would return nice and slow, keeping perfect motor control from both the concentric and the eccentric action back. You're going to want to do that on both sides, and that is how you perform the standard mid-chop.